We heading to pick up a no-tip Chick-fil-A offer. This thing came in at $3 for 1 mile.
You're broke!
I'm about to throw up right now.
And when you're done picking up the
trash,
I need you to hand
Marley
these out to every person that walks into this property in the facility, okay?
Marley F tipping cash.
We just fired the person that does that, but now, come on, man.
Pulling up Chick-fil-A right now. Man, people who don't tip, they Doordash drivers are clowns. I think Marley might be a clown. Let me get up in this Chick-fil-A real quick, see if they got this order ready. They just sent me a message talking about Marley's order.
What?
Let's see if Marley's order is really ready for pickup. This is crazy. All right, what Marley got? Chick-fil-A nugget meal. Marley got a sweet tea. Lord Jesus. Marley got a $3 Doordash order. Chick-fil-A usually be pretty good though. We see how good they are today. Said ready, it's not ready. All right guys, we got Marley's no tip Doordash order. It was ready, they just didn't sit it out in the pickup window. This is crazy right here. Why do Doordash customers order if they broke? You know, you could have just placed it for pickup, came and got it yourself, and you probably would have saved about, you know, $5 to $8. It's crazy.
You're broke!
But you know what? We about to pull up. It's probably gonna be a hand to me because in my experience, whenever you get a no-tip customer, it seems like they always be the ones that need their food handed right to them.
FBI, open up!
So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and confirm this and see what's going on. And I probably need to put my phone on the charger too. Delivering to all these 9 tippers, you know.
You're broke!
There we go. That's looking a lot better. Okay. So confirm pickup. Boom. I'm glad they ain't asked me to take no picture. Got me out here broke. Let's see. No, this one is actually a leave at door. So normally when I see a no-tip offer and I'm confronting them, they be hand to me customers. But this one a leave at door. So you know Marley ain't coming out with no cash tip if it's a leave at door. I just can't believe these customers. They just be thinking they can just, you know, order Doordash. It's so expensive, then they can stiff the driver. If you a customer and you order Doordash and you don't tip, you a clown. If you do it and you didn't know, well, you know now. We do not play that. We do not like no-tip customers because first of all, they be the most difficult and they be the ones that be lying and say they don't get their food. So let's go ahead and drop off this food to Marley. And this probably the fastest she never got her food in her whole life. But that's okay though, because you know what? We doing charity work. All right, so we heading out. If you a brand new Doordash driver, I highly suggest you do not try any of the things that you see in today's video. Because if you do, there is a chance that you might get deactivated. No-tip customers are known to take out Doordash drivers by the thousands every year. If I had to do some calculations on some rough estimates of the numbers that I've seen online, which is none, 90% of all deactivations happen because of no-tip customers. Now you can go ahead and double check and verify these numbers, but I'm pretty sure I'm right when it comes to that. I'm taking a big risk right now, going into uncharted territories. Because I know these people don't get their food this fast. I know they probably, you know, this order probably get declined 5 or 6 times every single time they place this order before it get picked up. So it came in at $3 for me. It probably at least need to make it to like $4.50 for somebody to say, you know what, that's $4. It's just going down the street, no biggie. But how long has the food sat there? How many orders have been picked up, dropped off, and the dasher made back while that order still sitting there? That's the real key issue. You know, most food get wasted that way because it end up sitting on the shelf too long. And then that's not even to say if Doordash decide to stack that no-tip customer with another customer who possibly did tip. Now the no-tip order may get priority over the tipping order, and the customer who tipped and doing the right thing, they may actually get their delivery second. And the non-tipper may get their food first. So, you know, it's pretty crazy out here. No tip, no trip, except for when you doing educational videos like this. So we finna go ahead and get Marley's food delivered. We're gonna see how much she tipped or didn't tip on this order. I'm guessing that she didn't tip nothing at all. I'm guessing that if she, you know what, it might be $1. If it's $1 on this, I'm gonna be surprised. But still though, $1 in 2024, if $1 ain't enough, it honestly ain't. do we see a lot of orders with $1 tip on there? And I will say that $1 is better than no dollars, but nah, bruh. If you can't afford to throw $2 per mile on the order, don't place the order for delivery. So if that means, really, in any scenario, the tip shouldn't be less than $2. You shouldn't see nothing less than a $2 tip, really, in any scenario, because unless you live, you know, if you live right on top of the restaurant, or you within a mile radius of the restaurant, you should be tipping $2, for real. Because regardless of even if you live in the apartment above the restaurant, if a dasher got to drive their vehicle to the restaurant, get in there, wait on the food, then bring it to you, you need to give them $2 for that. I don't care if they don't got to use no gas at all. So, you know, when it comes to $1 tip, it just ain't enough. Comment below. If you think $1 tip is enough for a food delivery order, Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, anything in between. If you think $1 tip is enough, let me know down below in the comment section. Because me, personally, I say hell to the no. $1 is not enough. What the hell is anybody in any market gonna do with $1 tip? Nothing. That ain't gonna put no gas in your car. It ain't even touching a gallon of gas, especially if you in Texas or California or New York. So stop playing with me. And I'm in the Midwest. Gas is $3.70 on average a gallon for me. So that's probably one of the cheapest in the nation right there. Let me know your gas price too while we on the subject. Because again, the fact of the matter is $1 ain't enough. And again, even if this was a hand to me and there was a chance I can get a cash tip, you taking a gamble. And if you're an experienced DoorDash driver, you know that cash tips is not that common, especially not these days. And if they are, they more common on pizza orders, not no, you know, Chick-fil-A value meal. But look, that's enough ranting for right now. We like 2 minutes away from this clown customer. And we finna drop this off, confirm it. You know, we're not gonna do nothing crazy when we get there. We're not gonna show out. But we will go over the payout of this order and see. And just see. Matter of fact, what we really could do, I could open up the DoorDash consumer app and type in all this and place me a meal and see how much it costs. But I ain't gonna do all that. We're just gonna drop this off and see how much it's paying Dashers. And hopefully it show how much time I've been on this order. Might as well just keep it recording in one continuous shot, right? Might as well. There we go. We going right up here too. Nice houses over here. Even though that don't matter, it's just still a simple fact. Now DoorDash has a $2 base pay. So the most that this customer could have tipped is $1. And that's why I'm making a big point, because what you got to realize, for going up there, using your vehicle and your gas and your time and your feet and your energy, $1 is not enough, especially in 2024. And for all the customers, it's like, oh, it's expensive. Oh, I can't afford it. Make a sandwich. You should be making a sandwich if you can't afford DoorDash. You should not be, you know, punishing the dasher that's out there doing the thing for the community. You shouldn't be punishing them because you broke. So let's go ahead and get up here and deliver this to this broke person. Cause you know they ain't coming outside with no cash tip. Grab that. Oops, drop the phone. See? You know, what if you drop your phone on delivery and you delivering to a non-tipper? Now you done broke your phone for $1 in tip. And let's confirm this order. And remember, this is for educational purposes. Do not try this at home. New Dashers, I'm gonna go ahead and show you why you should never accept a $3 order. Because even though DoorDash likes to lie and say, you know, total may be higher, they like to say, you know, tip included, all that jargon to confuse you and to get you distracted from the real issue. I'm gonna break it down for you. So look, we've pulled away from the customer's house. We had a nice distance away. So now we can go ahead and dissect this. I got my picture. You see the picture right there. Boom, there go the picture. Let's go ahead and hit done. We're gonna confirm it. Boom, confirm. What that say?